Alright, hi guys, we've got a tech support scammer video here today with macOS 10.11. I was originally planning to do 10.12 Sierra, but we're having some issues with installing programs on that, so we're just going to be using El Capitan. Also, stick around at the end for some bonus footage of angry CRA scammers. I gave them a call for the first time today.
And they're scammer from the CRA. Don't call us back, okay, motherfucker?
And they're pretty fun to call, so yeah, stick around at the end for that. Anyway, let's get on with the video.
Thank you for dialing technical support. How can I help you today?
Hi, there's an issue with my computer.
Which computer do you have?
It's a desktop computer.
It's a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac.
Desktop.
Which one it is?
It's an iMac.
And since how long you're facing this problem on your device?
Pretty much just today.
Okay. And what was your last activity on it?
The last activity, I was trying to go to Facebook.
Okay. And is it your personal device?
Yeah, it's my personal device, yeah.
Okay, so in that case, what we are going to do is, first of all, we'll be sharing the computer screen of your device, and according to that, we'll proceed with the repair on it, okay?
Okay.
So, other than Safari, which browser do you have on your system?
I have both Safari and Firefox.
Can you please open Firefox?
Yeah, I can open Firefox.
Yeah, please open it.
Yep, okay, I've got Firefox open.
Now, at the very top on the address bar, type there a website. I'm giving you the website. It's www.
Yep.
.support, S-U-P-P-O-R-T, support.
Yep.
.me, M as in Mike, E as in Echo.
Support.me. Okay, www.support.me.
Yeah, now push return.
Okay. And it's loaded up a website, support connection, enter your 6-digit code.
Okay, just give me a moment. Let me give you a code.
Okay.
The code you need to enter is 783
783
024.
024. Okay.
Then click on start download.
Okay. And it says save file and cancel.
The file name will be support log me in rescue.
Oh yeah, okay. I don't understand why I'm having issues with this already, you know, it's a pretty new Mac. I only bought it a couple of days ago. Already having issues.
You know what happens is sometimes these kind of things do not, matter, like whether do you have a new one or a old one. If something gets onto your device, then probably it might get affected. So let's check it out for you, and according to that, we'll be proceeding with the repair. Push OK on it. I have sent you a confirmation request.
It says David would like to access your computer.
Yeah. Click on OK. Now sit back and see what I'm doing. If you'll see, I can move the cursor on the screen.
Oh yeah, okay.
So as you have my name over there, can you please type in yours, your first and last name over there, please?
First and last name. Okay, there we go.
Thank you. And your best email also.
Okay. So what is it that you're going to be able to do?
So now first I'll diagnose it. I'm running some of the diagnostic tools onto it.
Okay.
And after that we'll proceed with the repair of it.
Terminal.
And how many other people uses it? Like any friend of yours, any family member?
Yeah, family members use it.
So as per the hardware that your device is having, everything is working.
Did you just break your neck when you said that?
There's no issues with, beg
so
your pardon?
What did you say, sorry?
I'm saying that there is no issues with the hardware. It must be having any issues onto related to software and securities onto it, because of which it is happening. And when you purchase this device, have you got any kind of securities onto it?
No. Apple didn't provide me with any security.
Because it is something that you need to get it by yourself, because this is something that it might take a couple of minutes to have a proper report on it. So please do not mind my silence on it. I'm just checking it out for you.
Okay.
And what purpose do you use this device? Like for work, for email, for normal surfing? What is the most important purpose of this device?
Basically watching YouTube videos, things like that, yeah. Facebook, other things like that.
And have you recently updated or downloaded anything like Adobe Reader, Flash Player, or a JavaScript?
I haven't, no, actually. I haven't downloaded anything like that.
And from where have you purchased it, the device?
I purchased it straight from the Apple shop.
Okay, and did you get a refurbished one or a
Yeah,
new one
yeah, it
from
was
there.
refurbished. It was refurbished.
That can also be one of the reasons that it is not properly secure. If you'll see that a lot of junks are coming up over the internet, if you'll see, these are the threads which comes up onto your device and affect your device. These are the sub programs that automatically downloads onto it and
Right.
affect your device in such a way that most of the applications are not even functioning properly. See it over there, they all are sleeping.
Yeah.
And this kind of thing do not happen just by a single click onto any website or any download or anything. These kind of things must be happening from couple of days or maybe weeks from now.
Oh
But
no.
as you have purchased recently this device, so it must be happening from couple of days maybe. So when they have
Oh right.
reached a very critical level, it gave you the alert.
Right. Okay. Well, that doesn't sound good. That all of these are sleeping.
Yeah.
Notice here how the scammer hid the padlock button that said change settings as soon as you open the firewall settings.
The basic protection, the firewall is also no more onto a device because it is a refurbished one and it is clearly mentioned that all incoming connection to this computer are allowed.
And why
Whether
can't
it's
why can't we
a
just
good
turn that on?
connection, I beg your pardon?
Why can that not be turned on? Why is that off?
Because it is no more onto a device, so we'll be installing a new one because a refurbished device do not get any of these things.
Right. Okay. Oh God, what's this?
And this was the thing that came up, right?
That's yeah. It looks similar to that.
Okay.
Yeah.
These are the alert that comes up by your device's security, which is your device's security in it. When you have any of these things, they come up like this. So I'm just checking it out. And on the same internet, how many other devices do you connect? Like iPhone, iPad, Kindle, smart TV.
Yeah, there's a couple of iPhones and iPads, and there's two other laptops and one other desktop.
Okay, so about like 6 to 7 devices are connected onto it
Yeah,
on the
about six
same
to seven
Wi-Fi, right?
devices. Yeah, yeah.
Because if right now one device is getting infected from these kind of junks, it can get transferred from one to another because
Right.
these are things that can come up onto your other devices as well. So we'll check it out for your other devices as well. Yeah, this was the thing that came up onto it, right?
See, look, that just looks horrible. That just looks confusing.
So everything as per I have diagnosed it, what I can see that it is in a fixable condition, it will be done.
Oh, okay.
Okay, everything will be repaired. For all these repairs, it will take about like next 30 to 45 minutes so that we can work on it.
Right. Okay.
And once the work is done, I'll give you a call back on the number that I have of yours. The number I have is 661-380-4749. Is it correct?
Okay, yeah.
And do you have any alternate number?
No, that's the best one to reach me at.
Okay. And one more important thing, Mike, as right now this is something related to securities and your device is a refurbished one, so it do not have any kind of support left with it. So for all the
Right.
repair and fixation, a one-time charge will be applicable on it. For all the repairs, that will be
Right.
done.
Okay. So,
And for
how much
all these
is...
repairs, the total cost will be $299 for all
Right.
the repairs to be done.
And how will I be paying for that?
You can pay it by any electronics means of payment. You can pay it through credit or a debit card.
Can I use a Visa card?
Which one you will prefer?
A Visa
Okay, you
card?
can type in the 16-digit number over there. Yep. Type in the 16-digit number in the chat box. Do not speak
Alright.
it out over the phone because this is a recorded line.
Okay. Okay. That's my Visa card number.
Thank you. Okay, the expiration date on it.
It's 5/2020.
And last thing will be the CVV number at the back of your card.
The CWE number. 682. Okay.
Yeah, the three. And what is the exact name that appears on your card? Can you please mention it that?
Yep.
Is there any middle initial mentioned on card?
No, just that.
Okay.
Billing
And last thing
address.
will be billing address of yours so that I can get you everything done for you, every document.
Okay.
So you will also have a legal proof of every fixation that is done onto your device.
So I'll have an illegal proof of... Will I get sort of
Yes,
illegal
exactly.
documents?
Everything that will be done. Yeah, like payment receipt, service agreement. Thank you very much. So you have to leave this device as it is, okay? Meanwhile, we are working on it. Because it might take like about 45 minutes for all the repairs.
So what am I paying
And
for
meanwhile,
then?
I'm
So
working on it.
what services am I paying for?
You're paying for all the repairs and for all the fixation, like cleanup, installation of
Right.
all those drivers and applications which were sleeping, the firewall which will be installed onto your device as well.
But with the firewall,
All these things will be,
but
yeah, the
what
firewall
if I told you
which,
this was
takes care.
this is a perfectly clean
Beg your
virtual
pardon?
machine? There's nothing wrong with it, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, exactly.
So if I go into firewall,
I beg.
you could have literally just turned firewall on, put in my password. You could have asked me for that. Turn firewall on.
Yeah, from
Sorted.
there,
Free of cost. Firewall's on. Scammer.
from there, no, it's not just on. We have to install license keys as well for it.
Why do you
Turning
need
it on
license
like
for
this is
free
not the
firewall?
solution right there.
Show me what's firewall called then.
It will be done from our end. You do not have to worry
So the
about
firewall's called. It will be done from our end. You don't have to worry about that. Nice quality firewall that is. What is the firewall called, scammer? That's the question I asked you. What's the firewall called? Because I can see firewalls on. Simple. Have you got any response to that? Because I know you're a scammer and I know all those sleeping things are fine. This is a brand new virtual machine and there's nothing wrong with it. And I know that you're running a scam. You may as well admit it. Because it's perfectly normal for that to be off as well, by the way. I've just turned it on, no problem. And also, I forgot to mention, this pop-up, right? This pop-up's fake. You can just literally, I don't even know if you can inspect element on this one, but it's just fake. Oh no, it's not letting you inspect element. But yeah, the pop-up's just a little crappy JavaScript thing, which is pretty pathetic, by the way. So there's no point trying to hide the fact that you're a scammer, because I know you are. I know that the firewall could have just been switched on, all those sleeping applications, just like what you would have done if it was a Windows computer. You would have just gone into the into MS-config and said all the services stopped were bad. As it is in this case with the sleeping services, perfectly fine. So I know that that's a lie, and what you're doing is running a scam. And yeah, there's no Syskey on this computer, so what are you going to do? Herder. That's what you're going to do. That's your response to open up Herder. Nice tech support, nice. See, you're pathetic. All you can do is open up Herder, because you can't run Syskey on here, so you literally cannot do anything. Oh, you've sent a link. What's this link? Let's see. Let's look in LMI, shall we? What link have you sent? Madachud. You're a scammer, and all you can do is open Herder. You're useless. You absolute waste of space.
Thank you for calling Revenue Canada. How may I help you?
Hi, I've been notified about some sort of tax issues.
Alright, can I have your first and last name, sir?
My first name, it's Ben, B-E-N.
Sorry?
My first name is Ben.
B-E-N, Ben?
Yeah, Ben.
And what's your last name?
That will be Chod, C-H-O-D.
C-H-O-D? Ben Chod?
Yep.
That's what your name, you asshole? Ben Chod?
Yeah, that's
Chutiya Lorde, Bosri ke?
That's my name,
Chod?
That's my name, Chutia. That's my name.
That's your name, Chutiya?
Yeah, that's my name.
Do you know Chutiya what means?
Tarimana
Chutiya
Bosadomaru.
means...
Tarimana Bosadomaru Madachod.
Oh,
Any response? Any response, Bosadike?
do you know Hindi and Gujarati? Or are you Indian, asshole?
No, I don't know it.
Motherfucker?
I don't know it, Kuka Chod. I don't know it.
Who taught you? Who taught you? Tarimana Bosado Maru? Who taught you?
Who taught me that? Well, actually, it was on a Hoax Hotel video with another scammer from the CRA. Another CRA scammer.
Another scammer from the CRA. Don't call us back, okay, motherfucker?
I'm going to do it, Madachud. I'm going to call you back. Alright, that's fine.
Thank you for calling CRA. How can I help you?
Terry Marky Chute, Madachud. Told you I was going to call you back. And if you block my number again, I'll just change number yet again, so don't bother.
Sorry, Ben. Chodu Laura.
Sorry, Ben Jodu, back at you. Ben K. Lorde, Madachud.
Thank you for calling Revenue Canada. How may I help you?
Lundale Maru.
Oh my god, you're an asshole. How many numbers do you have, asshole?
Shut up, Madachud.
Sorry.
Bossity
Sorry,
K.
Mana Bosado Maru, mother child.
It's Tari Ben Jodu. Bossity K.